Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that restricts the modification of bills that have already been printed. To enable this option, go to the Logic folder and run Logic admin. Open Global Settings and navigate to Sales Settings 2. Here, you will find an option labeled Do Not Allow Modification of Printed Bills. Tick this option to enable it and save the settings. Don't forget to restart the software after making this change. Now, let's modify the sale bill details. As soon as you attempt to save the bill, the software will display an error message stating, "Bill has been printed. Modification is not allowed."
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.